my gosh. And there it is. There it is. This is so nice. Like, look at that, y'all. This is straight out the pack. Like, I'm not doing anything. You don't even have to glue this unit on. Look at the lace. This is how the hair looks right out the pack. I didn't even wash it. I didn't dye it. I didn't do anything. And it is glueless, as you guys can see. Really glueless. It's your girl Bree. So today I'm going to be doing another hair review. This is from Nadula. You guys know I absolutely love working with Nadula. I love their units. So this is right out the pack. I wanted to show you guys how this unit looks right out of the box. This is the Bye Bye Knots 7x5 Brazilian hair. So let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, a curly unit. I miss having curly hair, y'all. I haven't had curly hair in so long. So nice, so luxurious. So this is how the hair is gonna look when you get it. Really nice. The cool thing about this unit, it comes with the drawstring. I love the drawstring thing, guys, because it really helps secure the unit even more. So I'm gonna just remove all the packaging, and then I'm gonna use this little scrap here to tighten the unit up. I like mine to be really tight, so I just like cross over the little hooks. Okay, so I think that is good enough. Oh my gosh, this curl is so pretty. So let's go ahead and put her on. It also comes with 2 combs on the side. So I like to tighten my scrap when it's on my head. So I'm gonna tighten this once I put it on my head. So once I put it on my head, I'm just gonna tighten the scrap all the way up till it feels really nice and secured. Girl, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna just pull the drawstring a little bit, because that's like double security. Like that. Oh my gosh. And there it is. There it is. This is so nice. Like, look at that, y'all. This is straight out the pack. Like, I'm not doing anything. You don't even have to glue this unit on. Look at the lace. This is how the hair looks right out the pack. I didn't even wash it. I didn't dye it. I didn't do anything. And it is glueless, as you guys can see. Really glueless. You could do some baby hairs if you want. I'm gonna just take the hot comb and just press it out a little bit, but you really don't have to, because this is curly hair and it's just, you don't really have to do that. This is pretty, really nice. And then the drawstring really make it secured, and this is just how your unit will come. Connect the comb. Oh, that makes it real. Girl, it ain't going nowhere if you put the comb. I didn't even use the comb because it was already tight. But if you put the comb, girl, this unit is not going nowhere. Like, somebody can pull your hair and it's not going nowhere. It feels so secured and so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to put product on it, because I like my hair to be a little bit defined. So we're gonna go ahead and define the curl. So let me go ahead and wet it up and add a little product to it. Okay guys, so I did wet the hair a little bit and added some mousse to this side. I'm not gonna touch it because I want it to like not be frizzy. So we're gonna do the same thing to this side. I already wet it a little bit, but I'm just gonna take some mousse I got this from the beauty supply store. I love this mousse because it don't take a long time to dry. It's like, I feel like it's really quick when it comes to drying. I don't know if I'll put this on my real hair, but I'll definitely put it on my curly hair. This is what I pack on vacation when I wear my curly hair. The result, as you guys can see, I was just hot combing the front right here just so it can look a little bit more polished. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. I really like the way this looks. I did cut the unit a little bit just to fit my face a little bit more. It's still a little too wet, but not much. But this is how the unit looks. Nadula did a big one. I'm not even gonna put the hot comb. So once you like get your unit, only thing I would say you have to do is just like cut it to what you like. If you don't like cutting your hair, you don't have to cut your hair. But me, I like to shape it a little bit. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 10 minutes and then we'll do a finished look. I'm not gonna define my part. Lately when I wear my units, I don't want the part to be defined. This is a little cute short too. Like if it was like this length, I think I would like it even more. I don't know, I feel like when my hair is like this length, it's just super flattering on my face, but I'm like that. So once it dry, I'll see how much more I have to shape it. So yeah, when I tell you this is so secure with the drawstring, y'all, I love it. This is how the unit look. I really love the way it looks. I feel like Nadula did an amazing job with this unit with the drawstring method. This is how the lace look over here. No baby edges. This is still super glueless, y'all. I did not glue this unit on. Some units you can't do that, but this one you can. I'll probably add a little oil on it just to have a little shine. But like I said, I like my curls to be a little defined. Like I would even want them a little bit more defined, but I'm gonna leave it. And yeah, like this is so cute. I love when the curls don't look all one as one. I probably will cut even more layers, girl. I'm trying not to cut so much. But I just love when the curls are not stuck together. Like let them do their own thing. That's when I really love curly hair. But this is how it looks. Shout out to Nadula for sending this over. This wig is super affordable, you guys, and it's super worth it. Like I could take this off and be done. You can also wear this as a flip over method. I'll probably try that next time as well. But I really like the way this looks. So yeah, check out Nadula. Let's get back to the video. I could definitely wear this with the claw clip. That'll be a vibe too. If I wanted to wear it up, that'll be so cute. So you could definitely wear it in different ways. You could wear it as a side part. All I do is just shift the unit so I can have the sides out, but I kind of like the middle part vibes. It's cute. I'll probably just wear some bigger earrings to show, but I like it. All right, so check out Nadula. Let's get back into this video, you guys. I'll leave the links down below. Nadula.